What up, lads? Let's do some cauliflower steaks. Guys, this recipe we're gonna have 4 elements, right? 4. First one's gonna be our cauliflower that we're gonna clean up, take out the leaves, cut in 4. Then we're gonna season these with margarine, some chilies, vegetable stock, a little bit of sugar and olive oil. We're gonna cook this in the oven, and after we're gonna give some color in the skillet. So this is gonna be the first one. Second, we're gonna grab these vine tomatoes, gonna grate them, gonna grate this garlic, mix with the cumin seeds. This is the second element. The third is gonna be the margarine with lemon. And the fourth one are all the garnish. So I have green za'atar here, I have some almonds that I'm gonna chop, I have fresh parsley, and I have labneh, vegan labneh homemade, right? So let's start. We're going to start by the cauliflower because this needs to go into the oven. Take out the leaves. These leaves you can eat it, you can fry them on the pan, you can roast it together. They're really delicious. Okay, you can ferment them, maybe make kimchi as well. I'm gonna keep them here for later, for another thing. Just make this, yeah, beautiful. So why I'm gonna cut in half, so like half and half. So I have 4 slices of the cauliflower. Why? Because I wanna keep the core, and I wanna keep all the florets attached to the core. So I have one big piece. Because if you start slicing like that, on this direction, and then maybe you have like 1 or 2 nice steaks of cauliflower, but here in the ends we're gonna lose all the florets, and then they're gonna be like all around. That I want this to happen. So just turn it upside down, get here in the core, right in the middle, cut in half, cut in half again, and then half again. So like that. As I said to you guys, you have all the florets here attached, and then after, when we want to get some color in the skillet, we have like a flat surface here on both sides. So we're gonna grill this side, grill this other side, and that's how it's gonna be. What do we need now? We need a tray where we're gonna place this cauliflower here. We're gonna add our vegetable stock for flavor. A little bit of water. Half of the margarine we're gonna add. I'm gonna add some chili flakes. And I will add a little bit of sugar on the top of each one. Now we just cover this with tin foil, and this is gonna go into the oven to cook. I would say it will take around 25 to 30 minutes for this to cook. And meanwhile, we start prepping the other parts of the dish. So I'll set up my clock here for, let's put a timer, half an hour, so we could check later and we know for sure how it's gonna be cooked. So half an hour starts, and this will go into the oven. My oven is preheating already, so always keep that in mind. Don't put in cold oven because you're never sure about the timing. So our second element is gonna be the tomatoes, garlic, and the cumin seeds. We can add the cumin already into our bowl. Get the tomatoes. We're gonna grate them. Cut in half. Have a grater. Tomatoes. Be careful here, okay? Don't hurt your fingers. See, here we have the skin. This we're gonna discard. And then we have all the pulp of the tomatoes. Have the garlic here. We're gonna grate all together as well. So just need to peel it. I like this garlic that I find here sometimes. It is just one clove, like one big head. It's really nice. Really tasty. See, it's a huge big head of garlic that we're gonna go on a smaller one. Yeah, here we're gonna grate it. Let's add a pinch of salt. Give a mix. Our second element is ready. Now we go for butter, which is here. Lemon. Squeeze the lemon in the butter. Don't add the seeds, keep them separate. We just need to melt this. Maybe we're gonna put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds just to melt the margarine. Let's start our garnish. So we're gonna slice these almonds and then I'm gonna toast them on the skillet. Very roughly. Alright guys, so I think this is enough for the garnish. We are halfway of our cauliflowers in the oven, so it's been 15 minutes. We are already finishing the garnish and then we just need to wait. So here I have a preheated skillet. I'm gonna add a little bit more of oil. I'm gonna start toasting. We're gonna toast these almonds here. This is basically just letting them sit here until they get like nice crispy and golden color, and that's it. Now it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna check on them. I have a feeling that they are ready. Don't know why, but I have this feeling. And after, anyway, we're gonna finish them in here, so. Woo-hoo-hoo. Smells good in here. Yeah. So that's how you do it. Just, it's hot. Jeez. Just poke them here on the core, where is the hardest part. And you feel it soft, they're good to go. Good to go. So here guys, I'm just waiting for the skillet to be really hot. How do I know it? I always see here the oil. When it starts to get hotter, it starts to spread and go like to the sides of the pan. And when I start to see a little bit of smokiness in the oil, I know that's really hot. So that's when I'm gonna put them in. See the smoke guys? See the smoke? Now it's time. Let's go. Now it's time to plate it. So I have my homemade labneh here. Gonna put this on the bottom. Like that. Now we go for our tomato. Little bit of za'atar now. I have some cauliflower leaves that I fried, so put some of them here in one steak, laying down over. Big one, maybe here. Another one sitting in here. Moment of truth. Let's get one floret here. Let's get a piece of the leaf. Let's put all together in one bite. Leaf, labneh, tomato. Or this leaf because I like it. This dish is incredibly simple, tasty, and complex. It's absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.